Good morning, students. In last video, we were discussing about standard angles, quadrant angles, then key ratios of standard angles chart, then sign of trigonometric ratios. There are four quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. As you know that in first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. Theta lies between 0 to 90 degree. In second quadrant, theta lies between 90 to 180 degree. Only sin theta and cosec theta are positive. Remaining ratios are negative. In third quadrant, theta lies between 180 to 270 degree. Tan theta and cot theta are positive. Remaining ratios are negative. Finally, in fourth quadrant, theta lies between 270 to 360 degree. Only cos theta and sec theta are positive. Remaining ratios are negative. So remember that important part, sign of trigonometric ratios, short for ASTC rule. ASTC. All students take copy rule. Means in first quadrant all are positive, second quadrant sin and cosec are positive, third quadrant tan and cot are positive, fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. Okay, so one more result. What is that? That is allied angles. Most important results. Allied angles. You know standard angles, quadrant angles. Then next one is allied angles. So define allied angles. What are allied angles? Look here. If theta is any angle, it may be 30 degree, it may be 60, it may be 50 degree, it may be 30 degree, it may be 45 degree, like that. In general, if theta is any angle, then remember minus theta. That is also angle. Minus theta. Then 90 degree plus theta or 90 degree minus theta. Next, 180 degree plus or minus theta. Then 270 degree plus or minus theta. Then 360 degree plus or minus theta. Remember, if theta is any angle, then minus theta, 90 degree plus or minus theta, 180 degree plus or minus theta, 270 degree plus or minus theta, and 360 degree plus or minus theta. These angles are called allied angles. Or in other words, if theta is any angle, in general, how to write? Instead of those angles, we can write short for, if theta is any angle, in general, n into pi by 2 plus or minus theta, where n stands for, n belongs to set of positive integer. You know the definition of integer. Only positive integer. N is set of positive integer is called allied angles. These two are the sum. In general, n into pi by 2 plus or minus theta, where n is set of positive integer, that is known as allied angles. Very fun. N is set of positive integer. Positive integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, let's verify. Put n value 0. N value 0 to 0 into pi by 2. That is 0. 0 plus theta. Theta. 0 minus theta. Minus theta is there. Okay. Put n is equal to 1. 1 substitute 1 into pi by 2. Pi by 2 radian. Degree convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Pi value 180. 180 by 2 is 90. 90 into n value 1. 90 into 1. 90. Plus or minus theta is there. Put n is equal to 2. 2 into pi by 2. 2 2 cancel. Pi means 180. 180 plus or minus is there. Okay. Put n is equal to 3. 3 into pi by 2. Pi by 2 is 90. 90 into 3. 270. 270 plus or minus is there. Yes. Put n is equal to 4. 4 into pi by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is 2 pi. 2 into pi value 180. 2 into 180. 360. 360 plus or minus is there. Yes. So remember, if theta is any angle, then minus theta, 90 degree plus or minus theta, 180 degree plus or minus theta, 270 degree plus or minus theta, and 360 degree plus or minus theta. Or in other words, if theta is any angle, in general, n into pi by 2 plus or minus theta, where n is set of positive integer is called allied angles. Okay, next result is to find trigonometric ratios of these allied angles. To find trigonometric ratios of these allied angles. Observe it, allied angles. Observe ಮಾಡಿ 90 degree plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta. Observe it. In first term angle observe ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ 90 degree, 180 degree, 270, 360. These angles are quadrant angles. Split ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ allied angles split ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. It should be quadrant angles. 90 plus or minus theta. Don't take 60 degree plus or minus theta. Don't take 80 degree plus or minus theta because 80 degree that is not quadrant angle. It must be a quadrant angles. Quadrant angle is split ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 90 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta and 360 degree plus or minus theta. Okay. So next concept, to find trigonometric ratios of those allied angles. How many trigonometric ratios? 6. Namely sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay. Now to find sine of minus theta value, how much? Cos of minus theta value, tan of minus theta, cot of minus theta, sec of minus theta, cosec of minus theta. Similarly, sine of 90 plus theta, then again sine of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 plus theta, cos of 90 minus theta, like that. Okay. Totally, how many? Total formula 54 formula. Either the R ratio ताने 90 plus theta 6, 90 minus theta 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6. This is 12, 12, 12, 12, 48 plus 6, 54 formula. You must remember 54 formula. It is very difficult to remember in those formula. So what can you do? You remember only 3 conditions. More condition you correct and ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. What are those 3 conditions? Important conditions. Remember, important conditions. What are those important conditions? Condition number 1. Remember, if the angle, if the angle 90 degree plus or minus theta or 270 degree plus or minus theta, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು? not 180, not 360, only 90 degree plus or minus theta or 270 degree plus or minus theta. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ say 90 degree plus or minus theta or 270 degree plus or minus theta, then remember trigonometric ratios changes from, what are trigonometric ratios? Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay. Now here sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. So trigonometric ratio changes from sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan changes to next one cot, cot changes to tan, sec changes to cosec, and cosec changes to sec. This is condition number 1. Simple agide ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನು? If the angle 90 degree plus or minus theta or 270 degree plus or minus theta, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? trigonometric ratios changes, sin to cos, cos ಇದ್ದ sin ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, sec changes to cosec, cosec changes to sec. This is condition 1. Okay. Then condition number 2. You know, if the angle, remaining angle, what are remaining angles among allied angles? Minus theta, right? Minus theta. Then 180 plus or minus theta or 360 degree plus or minus theta. Suppose ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what can you do? Remember, then trigonometric ratios remains same. Sin ಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ sin ಇರುತ್ತೆ, cos of ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ cos ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 1 sin ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ cos ಆಗುತ್ತೆ cos ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin ಆಗುತ್ತೆ here t ratio remains same that is sin changes to sin itself no change cos changes to cos itself tan changes to tan itself same then cot changes to cot itself then secant changes to sec and cosecant changes to same cosec no change ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ 180 plus or minus theta ಅಥವಾ 360 plus or minus for example sin of 180 plus or minus theta ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is equal to sin theta cos of 180 plus or minus theta cos theta whereas here sin of 90 plus theta not sin theta sin of 90 plus theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos theta sin of 90 minus theta cos theta sin of 270 plus theta cos theta cos of 270 plus theta sin theta here changes in condition 2 as it is remains same okay last condition number 3 ಏನು positive sign negative sign observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ in each case ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ positive sign or negative sign ಹಾಕಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು sign whether it is positive or negative sign must be determined how to identify must be determined by what you know by using quadrant rule quadrant rule means ASTC rule means all students take off a rule ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ so remember these three conditions ಈ ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಓಕೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 1 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 2 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 3 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 1 ಏನು 90 plus or minus theta or 270 plus or minus theta ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಟಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಾರಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ sin to cos cos to sin tan to cot cot to tan sec to cosec cosec to sec whereas if the angle minus theta 180 plus or minus theta 360 plus or minus theta ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಲ್ angles ಬಂದಾಗ what happen trigonometric ratios remains same sin is to sin itself cos is cos ಇರುತ್ತೆ tan is tan cot is cot sec is sec cosec is cosec then ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು by using ASTC rule ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ all students take off the rule 4 quadrants in first quadrant all t ratios are positive second quadrant sin and cosec are positive third quadrant tan and cot are positive fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive okay now based on these three conditions now to find one by one allied angles one of them ನೋಡೋಣ so first one ಯಾವುದು to find the trigonometric ratios of an angle minus theta so how many t ratios 6 for the left side ತಗೊಂಬೋಣ sin of minus theta value ಏನು what is cos of minus theta tan of minus theta cot of minus theta okay sec of minus theta cosec of minus theta that equals simple idea observe minus theta belongs to condition 1 no belongs to condition 2 yes minus theta ಅಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು sin theta this is cos changes to cos itself cos theta here tan theta here cot theta here sec theta here cosec theta ಹೌದಾ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 3 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನಿದೆ in each case positive or negative sign must be determined by using ASTC rule quadrant rule ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus theta lies in which quadrant minus theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ if the rotation is clockwise minus theta lies in which quadrant fourth quadrant in fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ previous class ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ minus theta lies in fourth quadrant in fourth quadrant ASTC fourth quadrant C means what cos and sec are positive ಯಾವುದು cos this is positive ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು sec is positive ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲವೇನೇ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ right so remember sin of minus the value minus sin theta cos of minus theta is plus cos why it is plus because minus theta lies in which quadrant fourth quadrant in fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive Remaining ratios are negative. This is minus, 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 minus. Okay. Left side ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Don't take right side. Left side value cos and sec are positive. Here, similarly, second one. ಯಾವಿದೆ 90 degree plus or minus theta. First you take 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta. Right? Then cot of 90 minus theta. Then what is the value of sec of 90 minus theta? Then what is the value of cosec of 90 minus theta? Okay. That equals ನೀವೇ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 90 plus or minus theta belongs to under condition 1 or condition 2 condition 1 isn't it ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ condition 1 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ t ratio changes from sin ಇದೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos sin changes to cos cos changes to sin tan changes to cot cot changes to what tan sec changes to what cosec cosec changes to sec correct then apply condition 3 what is condition 3 90 degree minus theta ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 90 degree minus theta means less than 90 haga less than 90 ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ lies in which quadrant first quadrant and first quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ in first quadrant a means what all t ratios are positive all are positive correct this is t ratios of 90 degree minus theta here similarly next if you take 90 plus theta sin of 90 degree plus theta cos of 90 degree plus theta then tan of 90 degree plus theta right cot of 90 degree plus theta then sec of 90 degree plus theta cosec of 90 degree plus theta ಇದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು again 90 plus theta belongs to condition 1 or condition 2 condition 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ trigonometric ratios changes from sin ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು sin changes to cos cos changes to sin tan changes to cot theta cot changes to tan theta sec changes to cosec theta then cosec changes to sec theta ಈಗ sin observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು apply condition 3 90 degree plus theta lies in which quadrant 90 plus theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ more than 90 degree lies in which quadrant second quadrant what yes means what sin and reciprocal of sin what is that cosec sin and cosec are positive take left side don't take right side ratios left side sin and cosec these two are positive remaining ratios are negative remaining ratio ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ negative this is the trigonometric ratios of 90 degree plus theta similarly 180 plus theta 180 minus theta ನೋಡೋಣ okay yes next one is 180 minus theta find the ratios of an angle 180 minus theta sin of 180 minus theta cos of 180 minus theta tan of 180 minus theta cot of 180 degree minus theta sec of 180 degree minus theta cosec of 180 minus theta right observe it if the angle 180 plus or minus theta 180 plus or minus theta belongs to under condition number 2 condition 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ so 180 plus or minus theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ t ratios remains same sin ಇದ್ರೆ sin ಇರುತ್ತೆ cos is cos tan is tan cot is cot sec is sec cosec is cosec same that is sin theta here cos theta tan of 180 minus theta is tan theta cot of 180 minus theta is cot theta sec of 180 minus theta is sec theta cosec of 180 minus theta is cosec theta now identify the sign whether it is positive or negative sign how to identify apply condition number 3 what is condition 3 in each case positive or negative sign must be determined by using ASTC rule quadrant rule observe it 180 degree minus theta lies in which quadrant ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 180 minus theta means less than 180 degree but more than 90 degree more than 90 less than 180 lies in which quadrant second quadrant ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ sin and reciprocal of sin that is cosec sin and cosec are positive ಯಾವ್ದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ sin and cosec are positive remaining ratios are negative this is the t ratios of an angle 180 minus theta here next to find t ratios of an angle 180 plus theta sin of 180 plus theta cos of 180 plus theta tan of 180 plus theta cot of 180 plus theta sec of 180 plus theta cosec of 180 plus theta oh now simplify 180 plus or minus theta belongs to under condition number 2 in condition 2 what happens trigonometric ratios remains same sin idra sin irutte sin theta here cos theta here tan theta here cot theta here sec theta cosec of 180 plus theta is cosec theta now apply condition number 3 observe it 180 degree plus theta 180 plus theta means more than 180 degree less than 270 degree no more than 180 less than 270 lies in which quadrant yes third quadrant ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ t means what tan and reciprocal of tan cot tan and cot are positive take left hand side or observe it left hand side value tan and cot are positive remaining ratios are negative this is minus 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 this is t ratios of an angle 180 plus theta okay next 270 minus theta now again to find sin of 270 minus theta cos of 270 minus theta tan of 270 minus theta cot of 270 minus theta sec of 270 minus theta cosec of 270 minus theta now observe it if the angle 270 plus or minus theta observe it 270 plus or minus theta belongs to under condition 1 or condition 2 condition 1 right in condition 1 270 plus or minus theta what happen trigonometric ratios changes from sin idre nagutte cos sin changes to cos theta cos 270 minus theta is equal to sin theta tan changes to cot theta cot of 270 minus theta changes to tan theta sec of 270 minus theta changes to cosec cosec of 270 minus theta changes to sec theta right now apply condition 3 270 minus theta lies in here bolte 270 minus theta four quadrants 270 minus theta lies in which quadrant 270 minus theta means less than 270 right less than 270 more than 180 180 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು 270 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ lies in which quadrant again third quadrant in third quadrant t means what tan and cot are positive take left hand side part tan and cot these two are positive remaining ratios are negative this is trigonometric ratios of an angle 270 minus theta similarly to find t ratios of an angle 270 plus theta sin of 270 plus theta cos of 270 plus theta tan of 270 plus theta and so on again observe it 270 plus theta belongs to under condition 1 or condition 2 yes condition 1 in condition 1 what happen trigonometric ratio changes from sin to cos sin changes to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos cos changes to sin theta tan changes to cot theta cot changes to tan theta right then sec changes to cosec theta cosec changes to sec theta now apply condition number 3 but 270 plus theta more than 270 less than 360 more than 270 less than 360 lies in which quadrant fourth quadrant in fourth quadrant c means what not cot c means cos and reciprocal of cos yaudu sec cos and sec are positive cos this is positive next yaudu sec that is positive these two are positive remaining ratios are negative ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos and sec are positive ಇವೆರಡು ಮಾತ್ರ positive remaining ratios are negative. Okay. Then next one is 360 minus theta. To find T ratios of an angle 360 minus theta. Again 360 minus theta belongs to under condition 1, no. Condition 2, yes. If it is a 360 plus or minus theta belongs to condition 2. In condition 2 what happens? Trigonometric ratios remains same. Sin ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ sin ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Cos changes to cos itself. Tan changes to tan as it is. Cot changes to cot itself. Sec changes to sec itself. Cosec changes to cosec itself. Right? Then apply condition number 3. 360 minus theta lies in which quadrant? 360 minus theta means less than 360. Less than 360 where ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant ಯಾವ positive ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Cos and sec are positive. Take left side. Cos here. Next sec. Reciprocal of cos is sec. These two are positive. Remaining ratios are negative. This is negative sign, negative sign, negative sign, negative sign. Clear? And finally, to find T ratios of an angle 360 plus theta. Cos of 360 plus theta, sin of 360 plus theta is equal to what? Then cos of 360 plus theta is equal to what? Tan of 360 plus theta, cot of 360 plus theta, sec of 360 plus theta, and cosec of 360 plus theta. Okay? Easy. ಈಗ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 360 plus theta belongs to under condition 1 or condition 2. Condition 2 360 plus or minus theta ಅಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ T ratios remains same. Sin ಇದ್ರೆ sin ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Cos changes to cos itself. Here tan, here cot, here same sec, here cosec changes to cosec. Correct? Observe now. 360 plus theta. Capacity one circle 360 ಆಗಬೇಕು. 360 plus theta 360 some angle add ಮಾಡಿ. Add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು? One circle complete ಆಗಿ after one rotation complete ಆಗಿ plus theta more than 360 lies in after one complete one rotation lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Once complete circle ಆಗಿ remaining angle lies in again rotation first quadrant. In first quadrant what happened? A means what? All T ratios are positive. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ positive ತಾನೆ? Correct? So these are the trigonometric ratios of allied angles. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೀವು ನೋಡದೆ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Okay, what are those three conditions? Remember, if the angle 90 degree plus or minus theta or 270 degree plus or minus theta, then trigonometric ratios changes from sin changes to cos, cos changes to sin, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, sec changes to cosec, cosec changes to sec. Okay, condition number 2, if the angle minus theta or 180 degree plus or minus theta or 360 degree plus or minus theta ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಲ್ angles ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what happen? Trigonometric ratios remains same ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Sin is to sin itself, cos is cos, tan is tan, cot is cot, sec is sec, cosec changes to cosec itself. ಯಾವಾಗಿದು minus theta ಅಥವಾ 180 plus or minus theta ಅಥವಾ 360 plus or minus theta ಇದ್ದಾಗ. Condition number 3, in each case ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? by using ASTC rule, by using quadrant rule. ASTC, A first quadrant, S second quadrant, T third quadrant, C fourth quadrant. In first quadrant all T ratios are positive. Theta lies between 0 to 90 degree. Second quadrant sin and cosec are positive. Theta lies between 90 to 180. Remaining T ratios are negative. Third quadrant theta lies between 180 to 270 degree. Only tan theta and cot theta are positive. Remaining ratios are negative. Fourth quadrant theta lies between 270 to 360 degree. Only cos theta and sec theta are positive. Remaining ratios are negative. You more condition and ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Okay, so based on those things, based on standard angles, quadrant angles and allied angles based on these three results to solve simple problems next class. Okay, thank you.